This is Taj English Academy. My dear viewers, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Assalamu alaikum. May the peace and blessings of Allah be on you forever and ever and ever. In my previous lecture, we learnt about advanced level English grammar, nouns. After the parts of speech, lecture 1, lecture 2 was about the nouns, how to make nouns. For example, let me remind you, to recapitulate, I will add some more words so that you can understand and we'll go further. Let's start. I told you that from adjectives and from the verbs, we can form the nouns. They are all interchangeable. There is the provision of structures by adding or subtracting. Anything that we add is called suffix. Anything which we add before is prefix, and anything that we just cut it to get the root. For example, beautify. To beautify, verb, beauty is noun, cut down. But in some places, to make nouns, we have to add, that's called suffix. Add more and more to make nouns. What all the forms I told you in the last class? Please watch all my videos on Taj English Academy. Already there are more than 50 videos. You have to from the very beginning to understand perfectly. I told you in the last class that the nouns, when they change from some adjectives or the verbs, they will have the suffix th. Grow. Grow. I grow vegetables in my house yard. I grow. Verb. We grow. Verb. We are growing. Verb. So what's the noun? So the growth is high this year. We usually grow vegetables, and this time the grow becomes growth. Can you widen the road? This is narrow. Can you widen? Widen is the verb for the adjective wide. Widen. Verb. Wide is the adjective. And what's the root? Wide. If I want to change this to noun, we have to say width. Th. Width. Don't say width. Wow. Width. So how do we use it? How wide is the road? How wide? Adjective. What's the width? What's the width? I explained to you in the last class. So, long. The sleeve of my shirt, the sleeve is long. This sleeve is long. How? Measure. Check what's the length. Yes. And what's the verb? Lengthen. Short, shorten. Short, shorten. Look, the length of this sleeve is long by 2 inches. Can you shorten it? And this sleeve is short. Can you lengthen it? What's the length of this sleeve and what's the length? Length. What's the length is the noun. The next we go to the formation by T-I-O-N, shun. How do you do that one? Inform. Please inform. Please give this information. information. Look at the sounds between inform is the verb, information is the noun. So how the sounds come? It's the lesson of phonetics which you can have with me specially, special classes of 5 or 10 of you in a group. You can enroll and get the phonetics classes from me, the sounds. How exactly you have to produce the sounds of the words of the sentences, the way the native speakers speak. Let us start again. Inform. There are 2 syllables, inform. Please inform, inform. Please give him the information, in stress, information, not information, information. The nouns will have the syllable on the first. The nouns will have the syllable on the first one. Pencil, 2 syllables, pencil. Table, force is on the first syllable. Not always. For example, engineer, there are 3 syllables, engineer. The syllable is on the third one. Engineer, near, force. What about America? It's noun, it is not America. America. The syllable is on the second one. America. 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 What about university? Is the noun? It is not university, it is university. University, university. So for these classes, even if you are alone, you want to have special classes with me about phonetics, the way to speak like a native speaker, you can have it.